Am I hearing shit going on outside?
Might have blue guy's head off in the street.
I was here. Who the fuck do you think you are?
Dude, that horse just took 4 slugs to the face. What a champ. Shut up, lady. Oh, the black guy who was kidnapping. He had 38 steps on him. God damn it. Oh my god, dude.
You good, Noah? You having a fucking stroke?
Yeah, dude, the fucking horse is richer than his owner. Black people. Oh my god, stow it, stop dropping it. Jesus Christ.
No mercy for you, pal. You could have got me. See you tomorrow, buddy.
Careful.
You gonna get your cut clean. I'm going back there. Put on your face. Shit free, fool. The ball is thing. Excuse me. Hey. Down, fool. Done now. That bastard has to die. We got you. You want something? Oh, no.
Go, Bella! Go, Noah! Damn you to hell! Please.
Don't hold back.
You need to open your eyes.
Hey, no damn brawling in here. Take it outside.
I fight it till I'm dead. Come on. That's it.
You're testing my patience, friend. Get it together. Get out.
Alright. You fucking done?
No!
Get him off! Throw him off!
Why'd I pull the gun out? No!
You almost fucking killed me too.
I know. I was aiming for it.
You fucking pushed me off and I like grabbed onto the ledge.
I know.